Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to start your Bokashi bucket. What you need is a airproof bucket, and that's what I have here. And then the first thing is that you put in some shredded, this is a 1 gallon size, which is great because you want to fill your bucket full, so it's completely full within about 7 days to 7 to 10 days is ideal. This is ideal for like a small family or a couple. So you add a little bit of Bokashi to the bottom of the pail, and then I like to use shredded paper from my crosscut shredder, a little bit more Bokashi. And then you're going to layer in your kitchen waste. And here I have onions and tea bags and avocados, citrus peels, coffee grounds, tea, onions, and then I have a bacon vegetable stir fry that has bacon grease in it, and these can all be composted in here. So if you're going to use something that has a little bit of oil or meat in it, like this, add a little bit more Bokashi to it and then just kind of mix it in, and that'll prevent it from smelling bad. So that's good. And then you put in about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of kitchen waste before you put a sprinkling of Bokashi brand over it. And I just use a handful. It's about maybe a 1/4 cup or maybe even 1/8 of a cup. And then you just pack it down gently, add the Bokashi, and then you add more stuff. I'll add half of this plate and put a sprinkle of Bokashi over it, and then I'll add the rest of the plate. And another sprinkle of Bokashi, and then I'm just going to take the plastic bag and I'm going to pack it down. You want to get as much air out of it as possible, and you'd be surprised at how much you can put in here over the course of a week. A lot goes in simply because you pack it down. And then leave the plastic bag in between fillings because it'll keep the air out and put the lid on tightly, and then you have a started bucket. And then each day you can add more, another layer of waste and a little handful of Bokashi. When it gets full, this is after a week, it'll look like this, and then you put a date on it and let it ferment for 2 weeks. So this is going to be ready to bury outside in a few days. So that's how you start it, and then you let it ferment, and once you fill it up, start with another empty bucket. So have several buckets in rotation. I have 3. Okay, thanks.